Hi, this is Bakya. In this video, we are going to learn phonic sounds of 6 consonant letters H, J, K, L, M and N. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe and click the bell button for further notifications.
What letter is this? It's H. Do you know what is the sound of H? Hat. Hat. Helicopter. Helicopter.
What letter is this? J. What's the sound of J? J. 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 Jeep. J. 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 Jeep. J. 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 Jellyfish. J. 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 Jellyfish. What letter is this? K. What's the sound of K? K. 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 King. K. 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 King. K. 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 Kite. K. 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 Kite. What letter is this? L. What's the sound of L? L. 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 Lemon. L. 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 Lemon. L. 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 Lotus. L. 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 Lotus. What letter is this? M. What's the sound of M? Mango. Mango. Monkey. Monkey. What letter is this? N. What's the sound of N? Nest. Nest. Needle. Needle.